You've probably heard it before. You need to start investing. Time is on your side, and the earlier you start, the better off you'll be. But how do you actually begin investing? With so many options, tools, blogs, and books about investing, where do you start? Welcome to The College Investor. I'm Stephanie O'Connell from stephanieoconnell.com, here to share a quick guide for millennials who want to cut through the noise and get started investing with a few simple steps. For most millennials, the first step is focusing on what investing options are available through your employer. Most employers offer a 401k or 403b retirement plan. These are company-sponsored plans, which means you contribute and your company typically makes a matching contribution. I highly recommend that you always contribute up to the matching contribution. If you don't, you're essentially leaving free money on the table and giving yourself a pay cut. If you're comfortable with contributing up to your employer's match, my next challenge would be to contribute the maximum allowed each year. As of 2018, that amount is $18,500 for people under age 50. Next, look at opening an individual retirement account, or IRA. There are two main types, a traditional IRA and Roth IRA. The benefit of these accounts is that the money inside the account grows tax-free until retirement. The downside is that there are limitations on withdrawing the money before retirement. If you're saving for the long run, these accounts make sense, but don't leverage them if you want to take the money out in just a couple of years. The traditional IRA uses pre-tax money to save for retirement, meaning you get a tax deduction today, while a Roth IRA uses after-tax money. In retirement, you'll pay taxes on your traditional IRA withdrawals, but you can withdraw from the Roth IRA in retirement tax-free. In 2018, the contribution limit for IRAs is $5,500. You should focus on contributing the maximum every year. When it comes to where to open these accounts and start investing beyond your employer-sponsored plan, look for the following. First, low costs. Costs include account fees, commissions, etc. Second, selection of investments. Look for an account that offers commission-free ETFs. Third, website ease of use and a great mobile app. Fourth, availability of branches. It's still nice to go in and talk to someone if you need to. And finally, technology. You'll want to make sure whatever company you invest with is at the forefront of the industry technologically and not lagging behind. We've reviewed most of the major investment companies and compared them in our online brokerage comparison tool. You can find the link in the description below. Explore the options for yourself, then get started investing by setting up your own account. For more advice on how much you should be investing, what your investment asset allocation should be, and if and when you should work with a financial planner, visit thecollegeinvestor.com and subscribe to the channel for more investment and money tips. I'm Stephanie O'Connell, and I'll catch you next time.